Hi, in this brief video I'll be showing you how I'm able to create and manage test Postmates deliveries on the command line with the Postmates API, C and C++ programming. These programs were created using standard libraries and the Go library. These programs manage connections to the endpoints, handle authentication encryption, send either an HTTP post or GET to the endpoint, and receive the JSON response. Here's the documentation for the get a delivery quote endpoint. And we can see that this endpoint takes an HTTP post with the query parameters, pickup address, and drop-off address. I've created two programs to interact with the endpoint. We have PM delivery quote, PM delivery quote 2. Let's try using PM delivery quote. I've copied and pasted a sample here. It has two addresses for the pickup and drop-off address used as arguments. All these programs take query parameters as arguments. And here, upon execution, we've received a JSON response. Delivery quote tells us the fee as well as the quote ID. So we'll take this quote ID, copy it, and try to create a delivery with it now. First we'll go to the create a delivery endpoint. Here we see that this is also a post, but with 13 parameters, one being the quote ID. And again, I've taken the time to type out a sample to use for now, but we'll have to paste in this new quote ID. You can see here that these quote IDs, these quotes expire within 5 minutes of their creation. And when that executed, you can see that we received an error right here, error. So we'll paste in the correct one, execute it, and receive another JSON response. This one looks successful too. Looks like we have a status of pending. Next is going to be a drop-off. And we received a lot more JSON data with that response, but we now have a delivery ID in that data too. So we'll just copy that and check out some more endpoints. Here we have the list deliveries, get a delivery, cancel a delivery, return a delivery. We'll try get a delivery to interact with the get a delivery endpoint. I created the PM delivery update because that's pretty much what get a delivery does. It updates the status on a delivery, provided you give it the query parameter of the delivery ID. So in this program, you give it the argument of the delivery ID, and it tells us that the status is now currently pickup. Next will be drop off. We can try another one, which is cancel. Cancel is similar to get delivery update, and that it only takes one query parameter, being the that being the delivery ID. So let's try canceling it. And we're told no, we can't cancel it. That's likely because it's now in the drop-off phase. So if we check, we see pickup has been complete, but we cannot cancel it. Because the pickup has been complete, I believe. Now it's in drop-off. Let's see. Some other endpoints I've not gone over. Getting a delivery quote, we've gone over list deliveries. You can also check see all your deliveries. This is one of the only ones that does not take a query parameter. Instead, this one returns all of the deliveries associated with the customer ID. Customer ID being pretty much the only unique data in this program. So if I do want to change this in the future, I can just change the customer ID and then have access to that. Of course, in order to do that, I would also have to have the customer's test API key, etc. So that's not really doable. Anyways, this is pretty much near the end of this demo. I think I've shown you everything. This is just a quick sample demo for you to see that I was able to pull this off quickly, writing some C programs, C++, to access the Postmates API. This concludes the demo. If you have any questions, you can email me at j.l.kuster@gmail.com, and thank you for watching.